Hi guys, what are we going to do today? Today we're going to use some 11 by 17 paper and make this cute little pocket. You could do quite a few of them and attach them inside of a book, but it has pockets on all four sides. And here's like a little miniature one I did out of 8.5 by 11. Let's get started. So I'm starting with an 11 by 17 sheet of paper, and this is already a decorated sheet of paper. You could use whatever you would like. I'm putting it horizontal in front of me, and the first thing I'm going to do is fold it in half. Okay, so what I'm going to do after I folded that in half, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches from the top, score that. I'm going to use my scoreboard, but you could just take a ruler and measure 1.5 inches. Just fold your sheet of paper. I'm going to fold that down and then open it back up. And on the back side, I am going to score 1/4 inch from the center. I have my center line, my center fold here, and I'm going to just real lightly score there. Score there. Okay, so I can see my two little score lines. And what I'm going to do next is fold these ends up to those score lines. So they'll be 1/4 inch from the center. Fold the other end, that score line there. And let's open it all up. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut out this little rectangle at the top and this little rectangle at the top. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold these in like triangles into this fold line right here. I don't want it to touch. I want it to be perhaps 1/8 inch away. So you'll probably have about 1/8 inch from this fold line and crease it down. And I'm going to do that with all four corners. And I'm just eyeballing this. So I'm not going right to the fold line, just a little ways away. Same here, and on my last corner. I'm going to fold the two sides in. I'm going to carefully turn this over, holding it together, and I am going to fold this top edge to this score line at the top, 1.5 inches from the top. And we're going to crease this bottom crease. In this top piece, I am going to tuck in to these triangle pockets. Then I'm going to fold this in half, and there we go. Made these little tabs. I cut them just a little bit smaller with the excess pieces we had cut before. So I just took these two little tabs and I am going to glue them together. Then I'm just going to glue them inside here, and you could have different spots or at the same spot. What would be fun is if you had them offset. And let's do the one that we did backwards, so you can tell the difference. The paper that is facing up towards you will be this background. So on the first one, this was facing up. On the second one, this one was facing up. So I hope this seemed pretty simple. It really is simple. So this is 11 by 17 paper, and you can see now the difference between the two on which side is up. You can also see you could probably do lots of different ones, and we have some other videos on sewing signatures into a book. So you could have quite a few of them in a book and fill them with whatever you would like. This one is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so you can see the difference in size. The only thing I did different with this one is the top fold, I only went down 1/2 inch instead of 1.5 inches. Otherwise, it is the exact same thing. So whatever you do, I hope you try this out. Add it to a fun journal, make it into a card, whatever you would like, but have fun.